Hello everyone, this is Amber from Lucid Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by automatic machines and is made of sugarcane paper material. This is more efficient. You can choose this option if you have a large order. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. The color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's take a look at the paper tray, which is made of 3 parts. The upper tray, the inner tray, and the lower tray. One side has a matte texture and the other side is smoother. It is placed inside the deodorant in order to prevent the paste from sticking to the instrument. That's simply it. Just put it inside. If you are interested in this product and you have required about it, just feel free to contact us. We are offering the free design service and free sampling. Thank you. Bye bye.